Memorizing just a small handful of keystrokes for number formats will save us so much time when we're working in Excel. Let's take a close look. Control-Shift-1, general format. 4, currency format. 5, %, 8, multiple, and Control-Alt-Shift-4, we can cycle through foreign currencies. These shortcuts are so fast and they have the ability to save us enormous amounts of time. The interesting thing is some of them are available in a standard Excel installation. Some of them only come with Macabacus. Let's take a closer look. So let's head up and look at these first 3 shortcuts. These are all available in a standard installation of Microsoft Excel. Even if you're not running Macabacus, you can go ahead and enjoy these 3 shortcuts. No doubt they will save you lots of time. What Macabacus is going to also offer for us, though, is the ability to cycle through these options. If we go over to this example and start tapping Control-Shift-1 multiple times, we are cycling through all the general number formats. We go down to local currency and tap Control-Shift-4. We are also cycling through all of these options. Same with %, multiple, and the foreign currency cycle where we can cycle through different currencies. So what Macabacus is really adding for us is the ability to cycle through all of our settings. Let's take a look at where we can control those settings on our cycles. We can control these number formats right up here in the ribbon in the Macabacus section. If we go into Settings and click Configure, that's where we're going to see this dialog box. Looking down the left-hand side where it says Numbers is where we will find General Number Cycle. Looking below, we can see there are 4 number formats loaded into this cycle that we can rotate through. If we click any one of these formats, we're going to see the details below about how that format is put together and even a little preview window showing us what the numbers or text will look like in this case. We can use this drop-down menu to get into any one of these number format cycles and exercise complete control over how it's put together. This is great. It's going to give us so much flexibility and speed up the formatting that we're going to do in the Excel files where we're working. One other thing worth mentioning is just a little tip that's going to help to memorize some of these keystrokes at the beginning. If we're after a currency format, we're going to look up here and notice that we're going to be using the 4 key, which has a $ on it. Same thing down below for the foreign currency cycle. It also uses the 4 key with the $. If we want a % cycle, we're going to be using the 5 key, which has a % symbol on it. And for the multiple format, we can use the key that has an asterisk, which is used for multiplication in Excel. One of the things that you're going to notice about Macabacus is these keystrokes have been so well thought out. You're going to find that it's really, really intuitive as you start learning them and using them and moving quicker and quicker through your work in Excel. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.